I can keep a secret, kid. Body in your body on my mind, yeah. Need to take a breath.
First, add new project, then add black from stock videos. Adjust the duration to 2.9 second, then change the format to 9:16. Now add text, then change the font to Korean. Choose the font I choose if you want it. Add animation in Type 2, then adjust its duration. Export it, then add a new project. Then add Flux text overlay. You can save that then add the text we made earlier as an overlay. Then adjust the duration to 2.9 seconds. Click the overlay, then find Chroma key, put the color selector on the text, then adjust the intensity and shadow. Mute all clips, then add the audio organos.
I can keep a secret. I can keep a secret,
Now,
kid.
add black clip from stock videos, then adjust the duration to 1.6 second. Add 8 slow-mo video clips with the duration of 1.5 second. Adjust the second and third clip's duration to 1 point per second and 1 point to second, and the last clip will be 1.0 second. Now add transition blur with a duration of 0 point per second and apply it to all. Remove the first and second transition.
You got my mind on your body and your body on my mind. Need to take a breath.
Click the first video clip, then add animation in Shake 1. Then add effects from Party, Shake 1 on the following clips.
On your body and your to take a bath.
Now add flash effect. Add white from stock videos.
Got my mind on your back.
Copy it, then put it on every video clips. We're gonna do no fly
I
out
can
text
keep a
effect.
secret,
Now in text
yeah.
and type one letter only. Change the font, then add text effects. Add text animation in blur 1.2 second. Click check, then copy text, and change the letter by clicking style.
You got
Adjust the placement of every text. Now split every text here, then reduce their duration like this. Now add keyframe at the end and on the start of the text. While the keyframe at the end is red, move the letters and make it small like this. Click the letters, then an animation loop. Rotate with 0 point for speed.
You got my mind on your body and your I can keep a secret. You got my mind